Wouldn't it be great to take a month-long retreat this summer? If you're like me, you can't get away for that long to some exotic location, especially in the summertime. That is why a few years ago, I started taking a summertime mindset retreat. I dedicate a month to taking a step back and practice embodying certain mindsets for thriving that I wanted to strengthen. Want to join me? This year, we're taking a deeper dive into embodying being kind inside. Self-compassion is an evidence-based skill for being healthy, well, and having sustainable habits for thriving. But it's also one of the most challenging skills. We are taught and shown how to distract from our body. We're told we can't be motivated on our own. We need to push through discomfort to get to a goal. Using criticism and stress as a motivator works, but it doesn't last. Instead, it deteriorates long-term health and habits and ability to thrive. Over the years, I've realized this is why being kind inside doesn't come naturally to us. But you can re-record those mindsets, updating them with skills for being kind inside. Like everything else that thrives in nature, though, this takes time, attention, and support. That is the purpose of a mindset retreat, to dedicate small moments to practice embodying new mindsets throughout the day. All the information for joining me is below. This is a retreat that anybody can do. Join me for a Kind Inside Mindset retreat and make this the summer that you take away the skill for truly redoing whole person self-care.